In this video, I will show you how to fix Parsec 6023 error, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. This error means something is preventing Parsec from making a peer-to-peer network connection between you and the other computer. This could be prevented because of NAT issues, firewall issues, or improper or non-existent port of forwarding, or even if you and your ISP has been blocking that UDP connection. To resolve this, make sure to check everything below or both of the computer that are trying to make the connection. That make it more likely for the issue to be resolved. And so the first thing, that restart the computer and the router. Sometimes simply restarting everything fix the error. Restarting the computer and the router on both host and the client computer which are having the issues. Allow Parsec SEC on the firewall wall both. The host and the client should make sure that the Parsec SEC is allowed on the firewall. Here is how to do it properly. Press the Windows plus key, pass control firewall CPL, or hit enter. Select allow an app or feature in the sidebar. Click change settings. Search for the Pass SEC and enable the checkboxes. Then click OK. So here you can guys see a screenshot of how to do it. This is a Parsec and all you have to do is give permission to both of these networks. So to make sure your home isn't using two routes, check if your network is too restrictive carrier grade entity, or you can use it by reading. So after that, configuring your router, nothing fixed. And what to, I make sure that you have not skipped any of the section above, especially the one of the carrier grade, and then configuring your router. Unfortunately, network is complicated, although Parsec has a few tricks on its sleeve, like UDP hole punching, and which can allow the situation where only the computer have to successfully open the, so it cannot be only make the connection happen without configuration from you as the user, and that's it.